Hey, it's Randy here again with Handy Chevy. I also wanted to show you the 2019 Chevy Trax Premier. This is the higher end of the trim that the Trax has to offer. As you can see, it's got the fog lights. The other one didn't. The blacked out badging like the other one. The black wheels like the other one. However, on the inside, this has the power driver's seat. It's all leather. It's also got heated seats and a sunroof. And all the options that the other Trax had, it has as well. So the back end will be the same. Back end's going to be the same as the other one. This is also a certified vehicle, so you're going to get extra warranty with it. You're going to get a 12-month, 12,000 mile bumper to bumper. You're going to get a drivetrain warranty, which will take you out 6 years or 100,000 miles. And you'll get oil changes and state inspections as well. So we also have the gray. There's a gray Trax as well. This isn't Premier, it's a LT, but it's a step down from the other one. But this is here as well. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.